1. Typhoons can span over 500 miles in diameter, encompassing vast areas and affecting large populations. 2. They develop over warm ocean waters, 26.5 feet or higher, requiring specific atmospheric conditions to form. 3. Typhoon wind speeds can exceed 150 mph, causing severe damage to structures and vegetation. 4. The calm center of a typhoon is called the eye, surrounded by the most violent winds and intense activity. 5. Typhoon season typically peaks from June to October in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. 6. Typhoons can dump over 10 inches of rain in a single event, leading to possible severe flooding. 7. Known as hurricanes in the Atlantic and cyclones in the Indian Ocean, typhoons are specific to the Northwest Pacific. 8. They can cause life-threatening storm surges with seawater, inundating coastal areas. 9. Modern meteorology utilizes satellites and computer models to predict typhoon paths and intensities more accurately. 10. Typhoons can cause billions of dollars in damages, affecting economies and prompting costly recovery efforts. Lastly, subscriptions and likes are a great help in video production.